UN Climate Change Conference Brazil to focus on turning climate commitments into action. The UN Climate Change Conference, to be held in Belém, Brazil, from November 10 to 21, 2025, marks a decade since the Paris Agreement. Set in the heart of the Amazon, the summit will focus on accelerating adaptation, mitigation, and finance, driving equitable climate action and global cooperation toward a net zero future. Acrex India themed, Unlocking Business Potential to Create Smarter Environments. Acrex India, South Asia's largest heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, refrigeration, and building automation exhibition, returns to Mumbai, happening from 12th to the 14th of March 2026. It will showcase global innovations, foster partnerships, and drive sustainable growth, ultimately shaping the future of energy-efficient and intelligent infrastructure. Delhi Air Quality Index stands at 316. Many locations record severe pollution. Delhi's air quality continued to remain in the very poor category on November 3, with the overall air quality index recorded at 316 at 8 am, according to data from the Central Pollution Control Board. This follows a sharp deterioration over the weekend, when the 24-hour average air quality index climbed to 366 on Sunday, up from 303 the previous day. Deccan acquires Childean to expand data center solutions. Deccan Applied enters into the acquisition of Childean. The acquisition complements Deccan Applied's existing data center solutions portfolio, furthering sustainable, high-efficiency cooling technologies, and bolstering its ability to deliver end-to-end cooling solutions that meet the mission-critical demands of hyperscale and next-generation artificial intelligence data centers. Coolant Distribution Unit for large-scale liquid cooling deployments. With the rise of high-density heat loads in the data center, direct-to-chip liquid cooling has become an integral part of cooling infrastructure, and the Carrier Coolant Distribution Unit bridges between the IT equipment to other cooling products within the Quantum Leap product portfolio. The new Carrier Coolant Distribution Unit solutions extend from chip to chiller is now available.